that physics is what the universe is saying about itself.
Physics, a model designed by humans to explain the mechanistic workings of the universe, can explain all of reality.
Art, music. This is human systems, all of these, plus expression. So, symbols that allow for us to create meaning and transmit them. Why didn't anybody explain that all of these things are not separate fields of study? Instead, they build off of each other.
Just because every discipline can be explained in relation to physics doesn't prove that physics can account for them. Instead, you must take a materialistic based assumption that meaning and concepts can be derived entirely from the layer of mechanistic workings. You can explain love through hormones. By doing that, you're only reducing it to a surface phenomenon. Hormones are what simply occurs in our brain when we fall in love, not why we fall in love. You can explain that love is entirely derived from hormones through the perspective of evolution, that these hormones increases our chances of survival through bonding with others. But even if you strip happiness and the self-preservation instinct within us away from the explanation of love, this concept of love still endures. So science fails to explain the ontological substance of love. Too many distinct properties observed in the conceptual realm that it cannot be derived from the material realm. Between the material realm and the physical realm is simply infinite. Material realm, the traveling from A to B is very linear. It is simply dictated by the spatial proximity. But in the conceptual realm, it is dictated by their relational proximity. Your hierarchy model cannot explain anything except for the abstraction required in the discipline the higher up it gets. And the question of why everything is connected is deeper than physics itself.